So good news for Samsung fans, if you have been waiting for the Galaxy S25 FE, there is a fresh leak that might just get you excited. It looks like Samsung could be switching things up regarding the processor, and no, it's not the Exynos this time. Originally, Samsung planned to power the Galaxy S25 FE with its in-house Exynos 2400E chipset. But according to a new report from Notebook Check, there are some production issues with the Exynos. Because of that, Samsung might go with the MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 instead. Now here is the interesting part, the Dimensity 9400 actually performs better than the Exynos 2400E. That could be a game changer for the S25 FE, especially since the current model, the Galaxy S24 FE, still runs on Exynos. For those who may not know, the Dimensity 9400 is MediaTek's top-of-the-line processor launched in October 2024. It features a second generation all-big core architecture and delivers some serious speed, like 35% better single-core performance and 28% better multi-core performance compared to the previous Dimensity 9300. And it's not just the processor, the Galaxy S25 FE is also rumored to come with some exciting new feature right out of the box. Yes, according to Sam Mobile, Samsung has officially started working on firmware development for the Galaxy S25 FE, especially for the US unlock model. That means the software is being worked on even though the phone hasn't officially been announced. And get this, it is expected to launch with Android 16 and One UI 8 right out of the box. Not only that, it could get 7 major Android updates. This is awesome news, especially when you consider that many flagship phones haven't even gotten the One UI 7 yet, and here comes the S25 FE flexing with One UI 8 on day 1. From what I have heard, the new version brings smoother animations and faster performance. Basically, it's snappier and prettier. Now Samsung hasn't officially said anything about the phone yet, but leaks are already flowing. There is a talk about a thinner design and a flatter battery, but sadly no upgrade to the battery capacity, bit of a letdown there. So all in all, the Galaxy S25 FE is shaping up to be a major upgrade, not just in terms of software but also with a potential processor switch that could boost performance significantly. If the leaks hold true, Samsung fans might be in for a surprisingly powerful and future-proof mid-range flagship. So what do you guys think of this processor switch? Let me know in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.